What's good, YouTube? It's your boy youngoak.boy back with another video. I know I haven't uploaded videos of myself lately. Been doing the COD, so I will be uploading today how to get cheap drip. You know what I'm saying? Iced out, the grills, all that. I'm gonna show y'all where to go to get that for cheap. For cheap. All right. So let's get in this video. Let's get it. All right. This is my custom necklace. YOB stands for Young Boy. You know, look at the drip. You know what I'm saying? This cost $80 on Charmbox. I'll put the link in the description. Second is my grill. 10 carat grill. I think I'm lying, it says 10 carat right there. Hold up. Kind of hard to see, but it's right there in the corner. And this cost 200 for 10 carat. Got this from what was it? It was in Texas. Called imakegrills.com. I'll put that in the link in the description too. Now last is these earrings, which I got for Christmas. They're a carat. They're $300 earrings. You know what I'm saying? They're nice looking. Every other earring I had, I lost. So I couldn't lose these. My dad would kill me. So that's all my stuff that I have as jewelry. I'm gonna put y'all on some fits too. How to get cheap name brand fits. Now I'm gonna do some giveaways. But you can't beat that customized necklace. See, it looks good. The necklace is on.